edges, faces, and vertices, you might count one side twice, or not at all. In this 2-minute video, I'm going to explain how you can count the sides without getting mixed up. I'm also going to show you examples of edges, faces, and vertices being used in everyday life. At the end of the video, there will be some sample questions you can try. Now let's get started. First, we will start off with faces. What you do is you might want to have something sticky so you can stick it to one of the sides of the figure. Although, you might not have something sticky to help, so you might just have to remember it. Anyway, remembering the side you started on, count every side once, turning the figure each time. Once you have done that, count the top and the bottom, and you've got the amount of faces that are on that figure. Next, we're going to learn about edges. Now, this method is not very hard, but not easy either. When you're counting the edges of a figure, you only need to look at 4 faces. You count the top, the bottom, and you also count 2 sides that are across from each other. As long as you count those sides, you will get the amount of edges. Finally, we will learn about vertices. For vertices, it's just like the edge section in this video, where you just need to look at 4 faces of the figure that you are doing. Just like at the beginning of this video, I promised to show you examples of faces, edges, and vertices. So these are what they are. Ice cream cones are just like the shape of a cone. iPods, iPads, and iPhones are similar to rectangular prisms. And finally, if you look closely, you can see that a Bristol board looks exactly like a cylinder, or at least close. As an extra tip for checking your work, you can add the amount of faces plus the amount of vertices, and subtract the amount of edges. And as long as you're not doing spheres or cylinders, you will always get 2. I hope this video was okay and educational as well. Now let's get started on some of those sample questions.